Hello guys, in this video we will learn to sort an array of alphanumeric strings using a custom sorting function. Let's start this one by adding basic structure of HTML. This is a basic structure of HTML we have here. As we are going to add some JavaScript code here, let me add script tag at the bottom of the body tag. Let's start by writing our custom sorting function, and I will name this one as sort alphanumeric. This function takes an array of strings as its parameter. As you can see here, this function uses local compare method with a special configuration. Here, numeric option allows the function to recognize numeric values with the strings. That one we have set it here as true. And the sensitivity option, which we have set it here as base, which ensures that the sorting is case insensitive. Next, let's imagine we have an array called alphanumeric array where we have some data here which contains both text and numbers. Next, let's create a constant by name sorted array. We are going to process this alphanumeric array by using the function which we have created here. So this function will take this array and it will sort the array and it will give us back the sorted array. And finally, we can print out the sorted array by using console.log, which will give us the output in console window. So let's save this code and go to browser to preview this one. Here we have a browser. Let's open the inspect window and navigate to console. Here you can observe we got an array, and the array which we got here, that is sorted here based on the numbers and text which we have provided as an input for this function. That's it guys for this short video. If you have any questions or if you want me to create a video on any particular concept or real-time scenario, please put it in the video comments. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.